Folks, most health insurance plans promise comprehensive coverage, but then hit you with lengthy waiting periods and premium increases as you age. Niva Bupa Aspire flips this approach completely. Their Lock the Clock feature under Diamond Plus, Platinum Plus and Titanium Plus variants keeps your premiums locked at entry age until a claim is made, and in the Titanium Plus variant, you get maternity coverage in just 9 months, including surrogate expenses. This innovative approach has made Aspire a standout choice for families seeking premium protection. Hello folks, I'm Shashank and you're watching Ditto Insurance. Ditto Insurance is backed by Zerodha and we've helped over 8 lakh Indians navigate the maze of insurance with honest and unbiased advice. And if you want help understanding a plan or picking the right one for you and your family, book a free call with our advisors using the link in the description. It just takes 2 minutes and we promise you no spam and there will be no pushy sales. Just clear advice from the people who know this stuff inside out. Folks, in this video, we're going to break down the Niva Bupa Aspire Health Insurance Plan in complete detail, specifically focusing on the Titanium Plus variant as it offers the most comprehensive coverage. We'll walk you through the insurer's performance, every major and minor features of the policy, the unique benefits across different variants, available add-ons that you can choose, waiting periods that you need to be aware of, discount structure, and of course, the premiums that we at Ditto have analyzed over different profiles. By the end of the video, you will be able to make a decision if this is the right plan for you or not, or you can always talk to experts at Ditto with the link in the description. Alright, let's begin with a quick intro of Niva Bupa. Niva Bupa Health Insurance is a joint venture between True North via Fettletone LLP and Bupa Singapore Holdings, established in 2008, previously known as Max Bupa, and operational since 2010. With 16 plus years of track record in the Indian market, they've kind of built a reputation for innovative product features and customer-centric approach in the health insurance space. Now, let's talk about performance. Niva Bupa operates with solid operational metrics. The average CSR over the last 3 years, that is 2021 to 24, stands at 91%. Its incurred claim ratio is 58.40, which indicates efficient risk management. It receives 43 complaints per 10,000 claims settled, which is on the higher side compared to some players. Their cashless network includes over 10,000 hospitals across India, and they've maintained consistent business volume with average gross written premiums of 4,077 crore rupees over the recent years. Now, let's move to the plan conditions and see if you are eligible for Niva Bupa plan or not. For adults, the entry age starts at 18 and goes all the way up to 65 years with lifelong renewability thereafter. For dependent children, entry is allowed from 91 days and sum insured options are quite comprehensive, ranging from 3 lakhs to all the way up to 1 crore. Policy tenure is 1, 2 or 3 years and you can choose either individual or family floater coverage. Now, I'll walk you through the core features of the Titanium Plus variant. So there is no co-payment, no disease-wise sublimit, giving you complete flexibility during treatment. Room rent restrictions have been completely removed. That means you can choose any room category without limitations. There's also pre-hospitalization expenses that are covered 60 days prior to your hospitalization, and post-hospitalization, you have 180 days of coverage. Daycare, modern treatment, domiciliary care, Ayush treatment and organ donor expenses are all covered up till sum insured. One of the standout features is the short hospitalization coverage. That is, claims are allowed for hospitalizations lasting at least 2 hours, bypassing the typical 24-hour requirement that many insurers have. This bonus structure works through the Booster Plus benefit, which carries forward unutilized coverage based on your entry age up to 10x for ages 18 to 35, 5x for ages 36 to 45, 3x for ages 46 and above. The restoration type is unlimited through their Reassure Plus benefit, that is unlimited restoration after the first claim for both same and different illnesses, and you can even use base plus restoration benefits for a single claim after the first one. Free health checkups are available again from day one on a cashless basis up to 500 rupees for every 1 lakh rupee of base sum insured, with maximum of 5,000 rupees for individual and 10,000 for the family floater policies. Now, road and air ambulance services are also covered up to sum insured for emergency cases, so no need to worry about that. Now, let's talk about waiting periods. Pretty standard here. The plan has a 30-day buffer, that is the initial waiting period, with accidents covered from day one. There's a 2-year specific illness waiting period covering conditions like pancreatitis, stones, cataract, prostate issues, gynec conditions, hernia, joint disorders, varicose veins, benign tumors, gastrointestinal ulcers, and ENT surgeries. Pre-existing disease waiting period is 3 years. Alright, now let's talk about the unique features that set Niva Bupa Aspire apart. There's Lock the Clock feature, and this is available in Diamond Plus, Platinum Plus, and Titanium Plus variants. Again, this feature locks your premium calculation based on entry age until a claim is made. In the Titanium Plus variant specifically, even a maternity claim doesn't impact your premium. This is genuinely innovative. Next is the Miracle Maternity benefit in the Titanium Plus. This covers maternity expenses with just a 9-month waiting period. The coverage limits vary by sum insured, 25,000 rupees for 50 lakh and 1 crore policies. It covers vaccines for expecting mothers, normal or cesarean delivery, delivery by surrogate mother, medical termination, assisted reproduction, infertility treatments, and even charges for legally adopting a child. Newborn coverage starts from day 1 up to base sum insured. Unlimited e-consultations are available within their network facilities. Alright, now let's discuss some important but optional add-ons. Safeguard Plus add-on has 3 components. Claim Safeguard Plus covers all non-payable consumable items. Booster Plus Safeguard Plus ensures no impact on your Booster Plus benefit if annual claims are made under 1 lakh, and Sum Insured Safeguard Plus provides inflation-linked increases. There's also room type modification. Here you have the option to choose shared room or standard single room to get discount on premium. But note, although choosing a lower room eligibility can slightly reduce your premium, it's generally not advisable. The savings are minimal and may lead to significant inconvenience or higher out-of-pocket expenses if room limitations apply during hospitalization. Next up is something called as a fast forward add-on. Now, this is for multi-year policies. This merges your entire sum insured, including maternity benefits, into one pool, accessible anytime during the policy term. Next up is a future ready add-on. This allows guaranteed issuance for your future spouse with transferred waiting periods, provided you add them within 90 days of marriage. Next up is called a cashback add-on, and this provides cashback for claim-free years. That's right, 10% on first renewal, 5% thereafter, and this is usable for premiums, OPD expenses, deductibles, and co-pays. There's also borderless add-on, and this gives global treatment coverage up to sum insured with 50% co-payment, which can be reduced to 0, 20, 30, or 40%. There's also a tiered network add-on, and opting for this tiered network gives a 15% discount on premium. However, treatments outside the specified network come with a 20% copay. This is not recommended due to limited hospital access and possible inconvenience or higher out-of-pocket costs during emergencies. So please note that. Next is the Well Consult OPD add-on. This includes unlimited teleconsultations, physical consults up to 10,000 rupees per year, diagnostics up to 10,000 rupees per year, again, pharmacy cover up to 2,500 rupees per year, emotional wellness sessions, diet coaching, and gym access. This is capped at 2 visits per week per adult. There's disease management add-on, and this covers diabetes and hypertension from day 1, bypassing the usual waiting periods. Also, there is annual aggregate deductible add-on. This offers premium discounts for choosing the deductibles ranging from 20,000 to 1 lakh rupees. Finally, there is hospital daily cash. This provides additional daily benefits during hospitalization based on your sum insured amount. Alright, now let's quickly run through the discount structure. You get a 10% multi-individual discount for covering 2 or more members under individual policies. There's term discounts offered too. 2-year term, 7.5% discount on premium for second year and third year term, 15% discount on third year plus 7.5% on second year for single premium payments. There's a 10% staff discount for Niva Bupa employees, 2.5% standing instruction discount, 5% doctor discount for medical practitioners, again, another 5% discount for online purchase, 10% Start Healthy discount for voluntary medical checkups with normal results, and up to 30% Live Healthy discount based on wellness activities. So, if you're evaluating which variant and add-on combination works for your family's specific needs and life stage, book a free call with our advisors at Ditto. They'll help you understand the real value of features like Lock the Clock and maternity benefits. The link is in the description. Now, let's talk about the premiums for the Titanium Plus variant with 10 lakh coverage. For a 30-year-old in Delhi, the premium is 12,700 rupees. For a couple aged 30, it's 16,681. Adding a child, making the family floated to 3530 and 5 brings the premium to 23,400. In the senior bracket though, 2 people aged 65 and 60 would pay around 57,600. Now, these figures include GST and 5% digital discount. You see that the premiums are positioned at higher end of the market but the comprehensive feature set and innovation benefits like Lock the Clock provide substantial value for the additional cost. Now, let me give you Ditto's perspective on Niva Bupa Aspire Titanium Plus, and this is based on Ditto's cut. I will link it in the description for you to read. Now, here's what we appreciate about this plan. The Lock the Clock feature is genuinely innovative, protecting your premium calculation from age-based increases. This is a significant advantage. The 9-month maternity waiting period in Titanium Plus is industry-leading, and the comprehensive maternity coverage, including surrogate expenses, addresses modern family planning needs. The unlimited restoration after first claim with the ability to combine base and restoration benefits for a single claim after first claim provides excellent protection. The extensive add-on ecosystem allows for significant customization, and features like Future Ready show forward-thinking product design. Now, there are some concerns too. The premium positioning is definitely on the higher side, which may not suit budget-conscious buyers. And yes, the complaint ratio at 43 per 10,000 claims is definitely higher than some competitors, which could indicate service challenges. Some innovative features come with complexity that might be overwhelming for some first-time insurance buyers. The network size, while adequate, is again smaller compared to some industry leaders. And additionally, as noted in industry observations, newer or PE-backed insurers sometimes modify attractive features post-launch, so long-term feature stability remains a consideration. So folks, that was your comprehensive breakdown of Niva Bupa Aspire Titanium Plus plan. Again, remember that no plan is universally the best. What works for you depends on your needs. So if you're looking to understand how this compares with other comprehensive plans, or if you want to see how different variants align with your requirements, book a free 30-minute consultation with our team at Ditto. It just takes 2 minutes. The link is in the description. So folks, have you had experience with any of Niva Bupa's innovative features like Lock the Clock, or are there specific benefits like comprehensive maternity coverage that interest you for your health insurance planning? Share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. And if this breakdown was helpful, please like, share and subscribe. It is the simplest and the easiest way to support Ditto's initiative to spread financial and insurance literacy among all Indians. I'll be back with more reviews and comparisons. Until then, happy insurance hunting.